Hi there, I warmly welcome you back to another video on Global Food Book YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, welcome, and please stick around as we have a whole lot of things going on here. If you're a returning subscriber, you are the real champion, trust me. Thank you so much for all your support, and I hope to see you often here. So in my bid to innovate healthier swallow or fufu alternatives to address the increasing occurrence of obesity and diabetes, I was inspired to create this pumpkin fufu dish. And I hope you will find this video helpful as much as I enjoyed creating the recipe for you, okay? So, have you ever imagined making swallow of fufu with pumpkin? Like, seriously? Oh yeah. Did it shock you? Well, it did shock me the very moment I got the inspiration to create this recipe. The few questions that actually flashed through my mind at the time were, is this doable? Has anyone ever done this before? What would be the outcome like? With these questions and many more flashing through my mind, a still small voice whispered to me and said, "Blessing, this is doable. Even though it seems no one has ever created this recipe, how about you create it first? Just do it. Give it a shot. Hopefully the result turns out great, okay?" Well, to cut the long story short, I decided to embark on this pumpkin swallow culinary journey. Right now, I can't fully express how fulfilled and impressed I feel about this dish, as the outcome turned out far better than I thought. The texture was just too good to be ignored. Trust me. With all this said, relax and watch me transform this precious vegetable into a swallow, okay? So, let's go. So, I have my pumpkin here, which I've already thoroughly washed. I then went ahead to halve it. Cut it into small pieces. Peel the skins. Cut them up into smaller chunks. And then I wash the pumpkin thoroughly. Afterwards, I added the pumpkins in my Vitamix blender. Added a bit of water. And then I blended the contents until smooth. Here you can see how smooth the pumpkin paste is. Oh my goodness, it's actually so colorful and so captivating to the eyes. Now the next step was to separate the pumpkin juice from the pulp with a sieve cloth. Just give it a good squeeze, okay? And here is the look of the pulp after the juice has been squeezed out. Next, I transferred the pulp into a pot. And then I started stirring it. I went ahead to add 1.5 TSP of psyllium husk powder, which acts as the binding agent. Just so you know that psyllium is a soluble fiber that can help relieve both constipation and diarrhea, and is used to treat irritable bowel syndrome, hemorrhoids, and other intestinal problems. While stirring the pumpkin, I'm also adding some drops of the pumpkin juice. At this point, you can notice that the pumpkin is starting to bind up together. Can you feel how good this pumpkin swallow is from your end? Trust me, this is really awesome and too good not to be tried. And finally, we have our healthy pumpkin swallow ready to be feasted upon. Now I'm scooping the pumpkin swallow onto a cling film just to shape it up a wee bit. This is optional though, as you can just scoop your one pumpkin fufu straight onto your plate and then dig in with some really yummy soup. This is so good and simply amazing. Don't take my words for it, please. Just grab your own pumpkin, give this recipe a shot, and let us know how it turns out for you in the comment section. Please go ahead and enjoy this healthy goodness. If you find this video helpful, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. It's actually free, you know? Yes, it is. Go ahead and share this video as everyone needs to know about this healthier fufu alternative. Please don't forget to subscribe to be notified once I release a new video. See you in my next video and bye for now.